MetroCount, the traffic data specialists.
Monitoring infrastructure usage is critical to managing that infrastructure. Roads and cycleways are no exception. And today I'll be talking with my colleague Maurice Berger, who was instrumental in helping one of our local city councils get up and running with MetroCount equipment. So tell us a little bit about why the client selected this particular site.
So this council, as some other councils have been doing, are looking quite strongly into non-motorised vehicle transport, getting around site, recreational as well as commuter cyclists. So what they're doing is looking at all the north, south and east, west routes, this being one of them here at South Beach. And they've decided to install quite a few bicycle counters so that they can get a better perspective of cycling movements into and through their city.
That's fantastic. Well, the client's been operating this site for quite a while now, 2.5 years, and yet it's, as we can see, it's only been recently resurfaced. Tell us a little bit about how the MetroCount 5720 influenced the council's decision to do this resurfacing.
As you have said, the site was installed about 2.5 years ago. The surface and the particular site itself was not in very good condition. It was 2.5 metres wide. The surface condition was very poor. There were trees overhanging. What was needed was to look at how many users were riding on this site, and it was important that they looked at how this site linked different areas, the beach to the city centre. Once they got those numbers and it was part of their overall plan, they realised that they needed to widen the site and make the site a better surface.
This is quite a low cost system, and yet the path that's been resurfaced is around about 2.5 to 3 kilometres long. So significantly much more than the cost of this, yet this particular unit has influenced that decision. Tell us a little bit about what the upgrade cost and how the council obtained the funding.
So the council required a couple of years worth of data and also to put their plans together of what they needed throughout their city. They obtained funding for the remediation of this site, about 2 kilometres worth, from the Department of Transport. That total cost was about $200,000, 50% funded by the DOT. The cost of this site might be 5% of that, and this site will be operational for many years.